Just gonna go in with the Real Technique. I don't know what this is called, but it's just like a little big dome brush. I always use this to blend out my concealer on my eyes and my eyebrows. So, and I just sprayed it with some Fix Plus. I don't know if it's just me, but I hate going in with dry products. Like, I hate, even though this is like a cream and it's liquid, but like, I don't know. It's just, I have to wet my brushes for most of the things that I do. For what I'm about to do. Oh, dang, I messed up already. I should have went in with my pink pot. The look I'm going to do requires a lot of attention. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, I'm going to do a natural look. I'm going to go with my Masquerade palette, the pink one, Juvia's Place. I just threw that. And I'm just going to go with brown color. Yeah, we're going to use this for transitions though. I never record videos in the daytime. Like, this is so different for me. Like a burnt orange. The point of this look is because I got this NYX Ultimate palette. And it has a lot of bright colors. Because I really want to do a look with this yellow. That yellow. Oh, I just want to do it look so bad. But, I don't know. I think we're going to do like a peach look today. So, I might incorporate a bit of that yellow in here. Just depending on how good it shows up. So, I'm going to go in with the Masquerade palette first with this color. Cario. It's like an orangish color. And I think I'm going to put that like in my crease. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to go there. Oh, yes. Honey. I'm going to bring that up. Because I actually like this color a lot more. So, that I just showed you. But these palettes like this, I noticed that they're not too pigmented. They want to be outside cutting grass. Really? Really, bro? I'm probably going to keep coming back this way. Anyway. These are a bit chalky. I thought I was going to get somewhat great quality from the palette just because they're a known brand. I mean, I should have expected it to not be the best because it is considered like drugstore. But still, drugstore has nice stuff. But I was just such in dire need of this yellow to where I was like, oh, it got yellow. And I bought it. But we're not doing the yellow today. We're going to go in with this peach. We might incorporate a little bit of the yellow. I'm really scared, y'all. Like, I don't think y'all understand. I need to deepen up this color on my end real quick. This is the same, yeah. Because I might have to end up. I can block it up. That's not so needed. Might end up having to put some concealer so that color would pop. which I think is something to lay on. And I think I'm going in with the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I think that's what we use. I'm scared of the color. Because I'm going in with that. They don't have names, but I'm going in with that coral right here. This one. And I'm going to swatch really quickly. That is how it comes out, but it's really chalky. So, I wet my eyeshadow brush. Go ahead. Feel y'all. I don't know how I feel about it. It's coming off real pink. Correct it. Actually gonna take that off. Let that dry. While that's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the other color last time. This is just like letting me down all the way. I'm not feeling you. Yeah. I guess you get what you pay for. I did we messed all the way up. And this time we're going in with this orange right there. It's not so bright of an orange. But you gotta make really. Alright, so we can make this work. We can definitely make this work. Yeah, this is gonna work. Yeah, I think we can make it work. It's a lot of effort though. In the corner. Wow. It didn't do anything. This palette is ridiculous. Like, no, we're gonna shut it. That is like ridiculous. It's coming out orange and it's yellow. Now I'm using this bright yellow right there. This. Okay, I did get on that side. Let's try again on this side. It's just so chalky. I'm just gonna keep building this orange that I got going on. This Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating moisturizer. So it's actually a moisturizer, not a primer, but I'm gonna, just because my skin feel a little bit on the dry side, when I go in like with matte products, I like to put some type of moisture. Even though I'm very oily, I just put a very little bit, just so my skin doesn't act horrible. I go in for matte. No, I'm not putting very tan right now because it is summer. So that might work out. I guess we'll see. It's a little on the light side. I actually like this foundation. I didn't put that much on it, so you're not getting the full coverage right now. I'm gonna build it because I didn't want to go in with too much. Actually, I think I am going to mix it. Yeah, because it makes me look a little light. Mix it and just make my color. So yeah, I'm going to do that. There we go. To be noticeable. Like, you know. So yeah, I think I need some more coverage on my forehead. It's very light on me. So I'm only going to put like one drip. Like literally. Because I got it in a too high of a shade for myself. And then I'm going to mix it with my Fawn concealer. I feel like I have a big face, but I have a small face at the same time. Like sometimes I feel like things just don't work out for me the way they should. Yeah. Bake, but I like to make it sure it's even while it's baking. While that's doing that, I don't do cream a lot, and I'm actually scared to go in to do. This is kind of dark. I'm gonna do a no, do my trusty match matte. Haven't did this in a while. I'm gonna set it with the Max. I know y'all probably like, she's being real quiet, and that's because I'm focusing. And I don't really have nothing to talk about right now. Like, okay, I like the way that is. I need to. Alright, because I went in with a lot of powder. We need to make this all come together as one. In there. And then I think I'm going to apply this yellow Since it's been stubborn but not too bad, I think I'm gonna make that pop of color at the lower lash. So I'm just gonna go and coat our lashes and then put on some fake lashes. You can't tell me I got on a pair of lashes, but I want to be extra dramatic. I'm just in a dramatic mood today. To wear, okay. How really quickly. I'm going with a fan brush. This is MAC's Show Gold Dimension Powder. Just gonna, oh honey, look wet and dripping. And I don't do these looks a lot where I'm like very dewy looking, because I'm naturally like a dewy person because my skin is very oily. But like I'm really loving this because like this is so summer, like just dewy. NYX Peekaboo Neutral. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna go in and line it with MAC's Cork. Yeah, you're not gonna really see this color that much, but I mean, like my liner, but let that dry. I'm actually gonna top it off with some Dual Chromatic by NYX lip topper. This just looks so like, like I said, I hated this at first, but honey, look at that. Look, honey. It's because the reflexes in it, like, makes it look so, so wet. Alright, y'all, so I finished it. I put on my lashes, and this is, one lash ain't really holding up too well, but it's okay. But this is pretty much the finished look. I told you my hair will be probably finished drying, and the back is completely dry by the time I finish the video. So now I just like pull them out a little bit because they shrink up around my neck. I'm just gonna keep putting that back. And I think overall, I think this came out really good. Like, what do y'all think? Like, come on, let's zoom in. What do y'all think? Like, do y'all think I really did good? I think I did pretty good. So, I did it again. I really like it. It didn't come out the way I really wanted it to, but it came out better than I expected. That's for sure. So, yeah. We're done. We're done, sis. We finished. Finally.